Okay, so the first thing I'm going to teach you how to do today is open a new project. If you click File, New Project, Java, and then Java Application, click Next. So you can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name mine First Project. And you go down here and you name your class. That's what's going to show up over on the left-hand side whenever you're trying to find your project. So I'm just going to leave mine like that. And click Finish. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about comments. Comments are right here shown in gray. They're to help you remember things that you might want to note. So I don't really use them much, but they can be useful for more advanced coding. So they don't change your project at all, they just leave a note to help you remember. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is a variable. So if you type int, and then you want, let's see, we can do numbers. So we'll do first number. Oops. Okay, and then you want to put a semicolon. If you don't put a semicolon, it won't compile the project, so it won't run correctly. It'll give you an error. You have to have a semicolon at the end of everything you do. So that's telling us that we want to, or that we have one variable and its first number. Now we have to define that variable. So if we type first number again, and then we type equals, we'll do 10, and then semicolon. So if you use, let's see, if we want to get this to run, we type system dot out dot print ln. Now if you notice these pop up, they give you suggestions on what you can use that is like what you're typing. So if you find the one that you need, then you double click it, it'll put it into your code. So like this is the one that we're looking for. So we type that. Alright, now we have to put right here what we want it to print out. So we just want it to print first number. Okay? Make sure it's got a semicolon at the end. Okay, so now if we go up here and we run the project, it prints out 10. So if you notice, that's the same thing that's right here. So it's just printing out what we told it to, first number. And since that's equal to 10, that's what it printed out. So now, if you want to, say you want to do some simple math, we'll do some addition. You can do comma, second number, and tell it that we want to add another variable. Make sure that you still have a semicolon at the end. So now we need to define our second variable, just like we did the other one. So we'll make that equal to 20, and then add a semicolon. So now we want to make sure that we have an answer as well. So the answer, we can do answer equals first number we'll do plus the second number, then semicolon. So if you notice right here, it's giving me an error. It's saying cannot find the variable. So if you notice up here, I forgot to add the word answer. So it doesn't show that we wanted to add that the next variable. So now we have another variable. I added that. So now we need to change this right here so we can add the first and second number. So if you add this and then you type total equals, alright, and then you want to go out here and you type answer, okay? Sorry about that. Alright. addition total equals, and then we do plus answer. So now if we run this, it prints out equals 30. So it printed out, it added 10 and 20, and we got our answer. So, alright. And that's all that I have to show you today, so thank you for watching.